Hey guys, so a couple of days ago I went to Lowe's and they had this giant Peace Lily on clearance that was only $5. And you know Peace Lilies, they look really sad when they need to be watered, so the only thing it needed was to be watered and it was good to go. So here's a clip of that happening. Here's a ginormous Peace Lily on clearance for $5 and the original price was $29.98. This thing is really big. Hopefully it'll survive again. Right now I'm at another Lowe's and just pretty much today I'm going to be shopping in clearance sections, trying to save some plantas. Let's see what they got going on over here. So here's the clearance section, 50% off. We have a maidenhair fern. Here's the receipt. $6. So since this is only 50% off, this is still gonna be like $4. This one would be like $6. $6 also. It's still really pretty. Kind of thinking about getting this one. African violets. So an African violet would be like $2. I think an African violet would be easy to bring back to life. Let me just find the best looking one. Hold on. I'm gonna go with this one because it has a lot of new growth coming in and it just looks sad, but it's gonna look happy after I clean it up a little bit. The thing about clearance is that you kind of have to make sure that there's no bugs or anything, I guess. Usually what I find is that it's underwatered or that it hasn't gotten enough light. So those are really easy fixes. You just prune away the dead leaves. Let's go check out Walmart. I'm really hopeful they have something good. Alright guys, here is the clearance section at Walmart, and I've got to say that $14.25 for this Peace Lily that is getting bleached by the sun is very expensive. And for some reason there's this Peperomia obtusifolia here that doesn't even have a planter, so that's great. And then here is a 234. Oh, maybe this is where the obtusifolia comes out. I can try. Nope. So that's that. Well, there's a bunch of dead African violets here at Walmart, and they're not even on clearance. They're $3.50. So I don't know what's going on over here. I found the clearance plants. They're 50% off. And I see this Maranta that I kind of want to get. There's some ivy here that would be like $3 something. The crotons here, the crotons would be like $5, which they're pretty big, so I think that's okay. Bromeliads, and then a bunch of orchids. And this is pretty much where all the pots at Goodwill come from dead orchids that people don't want anymore, which is really sad. But and then there's some more African violets. I already got mine for $1, so I'm happy with it. I think these would be $2. But I'm really thinking about getting this Maranta. But I don't really know how I feel about bringing a Maranta back to life because I don't know, but this one's really pretty. I'll think about it. And I'll definitely think about this croton too. Okay, so I came over here to see how the other rabbit foot Marantas are doing. Not too hot either. But they have some cool variegation going on. I always love some good variegation. I'm gonna pickle Rick. And these at full price are $6.98. Okay, and this is the healthy version of this plant, which to me doesn't look all that healthy anyways. So maybe I should get that one. It's just I barely have any space for plants. Why do we keep shopping for them? Alright guys, this is the clearance section at Walmart. We have some aloe veras here. Wow, save 90 cents. As you can see, they really slashed their prices. I wonder why these are on clearance. Usually this is how their plants for full price look. What is this? Olympia. Sorry. This one looks like it's doing okay. It's just these little... Is this even on clearance though? Where is its little clearance sign? Oh, look at this one, $10. I'm pretty sure you can buy a nice plant of this for $10. It's a bust. Walmart is a bust. I'm at Home Depot now, and so far every time I went to Home Depot they don't have a clearance section, so I'm hoping that this time they do. But I don't know, maybe they just take such good care of their plants they don't need a clearance section. I don't know, we'll see. So I'm not seeing a clearance section, but I do see some clearance plants. I'm at another Lowe's and Home Depot is banned because they don't have any clearance plants. Alright, we're out here at Lowe's. They don't have any plants outside, probably because it's so hot and sunny. The clearance section, 50% off. So these were Hindu ropes, Toya Carnosa compactus. Right there. I had one, and this is where I got my first Hindu rope, and it has this like spongy material that I think would have been bad for the plant in the long run, so I took it out and put it in water and let it root better. Bigger roots. So many peace lilies that just need to be watered, but I have too many peace lilies. Oh, this is kind of like just a pothos. How much is this? 22. Oh my god, it's so expensive. And then a fiddle leaf fig. I think it's pretty big. For the price of like $15. This 10-inch fiddle leaf fig. $15 for this. That's so big. I'm gonna get this. This one, score. You know, this bromelia doesn't look too bad. And it'll be like $4. Oh, there's another one back here. I'm just not trying to get a bromelia though. Oh, there's a bunch of bromeliads. Oh, giant. Sorry. Oh my god. I think it was a peace lily, but so sad. And this is still maybe like $15. Maybe it's half of 15. This is like a healthy version of the fiddle leaf fig that I'm getting on clearance. So when it's back to its glory, it'll look beautiful like this one. Here it is. Isn't it really big? This is such a big fiddle leaf fig for like $15. Okay, so that's all the places I'm gonna go to today for discounted plants. So from this day, Home Depot, my experience, doesn't have any clearance plants. I can't really remember if they used to, or I just don't remember at all. But yeah, I'm pretty happy with what I got. I got that $5 Peace Lilly, giant Peace Lilly, $1 African Violet, and then I got my, I'm not gonna take him out because he's so big, but I got my baby. He's buckled in, the Fiddly Fig, and that one turned out to be like 13 something, so it was less than $15, which I'm telling you, well, for me in my area, that's a great price. And then I also got the rabbit foot. It's really cute. I hope that I can help it survive a little bit. And then, oh, I forgot I need to revive these plants, so there's just gonna be some reviving if you want to see it. It's after this. But yeah, that's it for today's video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like the video if you enjoyed it, and I'll see you next time. Bye!